when you want to start or leave. Don't say again and again let's go. Speak more natural sound. ચાલો let's go ના better sentence શીખીએ. Let's start with basic to fluent. First basic level. Let's go. ચાલો જઈએ. Now better level. Let's get going. ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. ચાલો જઈએ. Now fluent level. Let's head out. ચાલો નીકળી જઈએ. Let's see an example. Let's go head out. We are getting late. ચાલો નીકળી જઈએ. મોડું થઈ રહ્યું છે. So guys, remember, fluent English is about natural phrases. Natural phrases सीखो. Comment below day 11 done. Practice daily at least 1 minute. We will meet tomorrow.